So we're looking at the eye model for Biology 105. And first off, when we look at the eye model, the first thing we're going to see is this right here. And this is the lacrimal gland. So this is the gland that produces tears. So that is the lacrimal gland right there. So now we're going to take this part off. And now we get to here, and now we see the white of the eye. And the white of the eye is called the sclera. So the sclera are the whites of the eye. And also in the front of the eye, you're seeing this transparent bulge. And if I turn it to the side, you can see it maybe a little better. But that bulge right there is called the cornea. So that is the cornea, and this is the sclera. So cornea and sclera. So let's go ahead and take that off now. So we go further into the eye. The next layer of the eye, in this dark brown colored area, that right there is the choroid. Sometimes it's referred to as the choroid coat. That is the choroid. The colored portion of the eye, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out as well. The colored portion of the eye here is called the iris. So this is the choroid out here. This is the iris. And the opening, that hole, is called the pupil. All right. On the backside of the eye, we see this structure here, and this is the optic nerve. So that right there is the optic nerve. So that structure there, optic nerve. This is choroid again. This is iris again. That hole is the pupil. We open this up further. We see that behind there is the lens. So I'll just go ahead and take the lens out, set it off to the side. And if I turn it like so, this area here and this area here, and essentially the red area on the inside here, is called the ciliary body. So this portion here, and all this is the ciliary body. The tan portion back here is the retina. So all this is retina in here. And then right here you're seeing a yellow dot. That yellow dot right there is the optic disc. That's a part of the optic nerve that's come into the back of the eye. So this is optic nerve here. This is optic disc there. Once again, retina, and then ciliary body here and here. We're also seeing a little pink dot located right there. That is known as the macula lutea. So that structure right there is known as the macula lutea. What's found within that is called the Fovea Centralis. So there's a little point inside of there called the Fovea Centralis.